You not come out of the car?
Yes, sir.
Where the hell this I come from?
So, how you promise us, sir? Like at the first you to me.
I just never expect to see her.
I'm not telling you, you must always expect the unexpected.
So why me never hear from you for 3 weeks now and you just pop up? What go on?
Come here, toast a strudel. You think say pop you alone a pop me a popcorn too?
Patsy, at this point, you confuse me. What you up to?
So I have to up to something, sir. Yeah, go on, so. Listen to me, I already know all my head at. You know, say, anytime my argument start, me going to the cooler. So I just breeze it for you a little bit. I'm not against you.
For 3 weeks? That's so long you have in a freezer?
Could have 3 months. You have to thank the Lord, okay?
We can go inside the talk?
I have to think about it first.
Really? You know what? No time for this. Me there inside.
Christopher Alfonso Walker. So weird. Because your name Walker, make you walk where? Don't do that.
Patsy, you come or you not come?
So that you want to talk about now? Me coming? You're so unserious. Just looks getting angry. Oh, it's quite nice. Oh, drink like what? Stop, Musa.
You know, so we have a serious reasoning for work.
Oh, serious? This serious?
Patsy, you know, so this not gonna work though. Anytime we have a disagreement, you just go away for weeks and come back when you feel like, and all that act like nothing never happened.
What act like no never am a star? Me? Patricia? Liar down.
And not just the fact that you're gone, you know. But you not answer my text, you not answer my calling. You not even call to check up on me, nor Destiny.
You quite alright, you know. Me, I have only to check on Destiny already. I'm not such alright.
You know say she alright. You did know say she get 2 days suspension from school.
Yeah, I know.
So you know and you not even call and check up.
For what? For unsuspend her? Or better yet, no, you didn't want me to go down there and do things my way. So that's why I do it. You can come back and tell me, say, man, I should have do it in the first place.
Patsy, I never tell you say you not for do nothing for Destiny, you know. But we have to come to an agreement on certain things. You know why she gets suspension?
Well, I don't know all of the details. I just issue she get up for 2 days. But I wish to do.
Alright, I could start here, sir. You sound like you trivialize her suspension. Because you say she just get a little suspension. I say you see it?
I'm not trivia, nothing. I'm not jeopardy, nothing, sir.
Alright, let me tell you what, man. Them tell like say she involved in a gang fight.
Gang fight? Well, at least I don't beating she get beaten.
That me I talk about. And just because them know that she quick tempered and quick for fight, they believe. And as such she get the suspension right before her exam.
So she get to do her exam?
Yeah, she get to do her exam.
Oh, okay, you know, say me would have got up there right now.
And that wouldn't make the situation no better. The problem is, the important part of the revision, she never get to be a part of it.
Destiny a bright girl, you know your name. She'll be alright.
This we can't understand. Is this your way of showing that you care?
My way of caring was going up to the school and talking to the teachers. But you never like it.
I mean, I try to show you, say, you can't talk to the teacher them type of way there. Because the repercussion of them thing there, what you do, I go drop back for me or the baby.
Yes, sir. Come in appearance. Right?
Patsy, you come back with the factory again? You now move like a parent, Patsy. Because me and you have a disagreement. You're gone for 3 weeks. And you don't look back. You don't even check on the baby, none at all. And the same thing she got through with her mother.
Stick all up in right, that's a sir. You have put me in the same category as our mother?
I know that me I talk about.
So what you talk about, sir?
Patsy, let me ask you something. Your pet come, your rubies. How you do? Come here for gaslight me.
But you light up my fire. You can't angle it?
Alright. I'll tell you what, man. Let's say if I decide to go on with the two of you, and we can't see eye to eye, it's not going to make no sense, you know. I tell you straight.
When I go say eye to eye on everything, Chris, and that me want you to understand.
But it look like we can't even come to a compromise. It's like you see things one way and me see things one way.
You know something like that arguing something with you, you know, Chris?
You know, look, sir. The way you go on, it look like you love it.
I know that, my love.
You see? It's a serious conversation we're having a party. You don't realize what I want? It's like we are going straight on the verge of breaking up. Because we can't bother with this.